If this is the first use, test fire once to fill the gas tubing with helium. Evacuate the chamber. Turn on the vacuum source. Set the vacuum switch on the main unit control panel to the vac position. Evacuate the chamber to the desired level, at least 5 inches of mercury. The fire switch on the right side of this panel will be illuminated when this minimum vacuum is achieved. When the desired vacuum level is reached, hold the vacuum at that level by quickly pressing the vacuum control switch through the middle vent position to the bottom hold position. Press and hold the fire button continuously until the rupture disc bursts and the helium pressure gauge drops to 0. A small pop will be heard when the rupture disc bursts. The helium pressure gauge on top of the unit will act as a guide, but the rupture disc used will be the pressure that is released. Release the fire button immediately to avoid wasting helium. Release the vacuum from the chamber by setting the vacuum switch to the middle vent position. Open the chamber door and remove the target cells from the chamber. Remove the microcarrier launch assembly. Unscrew the lid and remove the macrocarrier holder. Unload and discard the macrocarrier and stopping screen. Unscrew the rupture disc retaining cap from the gas acceleration tube. Remove the remains of the rupture disc. After completing all bombardments, the residual pressure needs to be released from the system. Close the main valve on the helium cylinder. Close and latch the bombardment chamber door. Draw a vacuum of at least 5 inches of mercury. Activate the fire button. This should release all of the residual helium pressure, and the helium pressure gauge should read 0. If not, repeat this process. Vent any residual vacuum by setting the vacuum switch to the vent position.